Hey everyone, welcome back to History Facts and News Digest.
Hello and welcome to. Today, we're bringing you one of the most anticipated updates of the year, the results of the 2024 US presidential election. The showdown between Donald Trump and Kamala Harris had the entire world watching. So, who won this historic election? Let's dive into the details. This year's election was one of the closest in recent memory, with Trump, the former president, aiming to return to the White House and Vice President Kamala Harris vying to make history as the first female president of the United States. Both candidates ran intense campaigns, each addressing America's biggest issues and targeting swing states to secure victory. As results started to roll in, we saw some key swing states play a decisive role. States like Pennsylvania, Florida, and Michigan became battlegrounds once again, with voters split down the middle. Trump's base rallied behind his message of economic strength and border security, while Harris energized voters with her calls for climate action, healthcare reform, and unity. After a long night filled with suspense, breaking news, and millions of votes counted, America has chosen its leader. Are you ready for the announcement? The winner of the 2024 US presidential election has officially won the 2024 election. This victory marks a significant chapter in American history, with millions of Americans coming together to cast their vote and make their voices heard. This win will bring major changes in policy and direction for the country, from the economy and healthcare to national security and climate policy. Now the real work begins as America watches to see how the new administration will deliver on its promises. So what do you think of the election result? Did it surprise you, or was it what you expected? Comment below to let us know, and make sure to subscribe for more updates on major events and historical insights. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with the latest news and deep dives into history. See you in the next video.